What's going on, YouTubers, subscribers, gunners? Hope all is well with you guys. Doing some minor upgrades to the AK-47 today. I figured why not just vlog it and let you guys vibe out with me. Got a 4x8 carbon fiber sheet, really thin, 38 wall. So we're gonna take off the Lexan that's on it now. The 3 back windows we're gonna make carbon fiber. So I think this is the first for a Honda. It might be the first for a car, I don't know. But yeah, let's have fun. Let's enjoy ourselves. Keep gunning. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright, so Alright guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
So first thing I got going on here is a 3/16 drill bit. I got my setting on really low, and I'm just taking out the old aluminum rivets. So you just get right up on it right here, nice and slow, and it'll drill right through. You're not speeding while doing this. That's it. So we'll go down and up. That one's out. So we'll take out all these rivets here, take off all the windows, and then use these windows to measure where we're cutting the carbon fiber. That's it. We got the windows out. Now we'll use these as reference on the carbon fiber and we'll cut it out. I got to do a little bit more research on what blade I'm going to use, but it's most likely going to be a jigsaw. So yeah, let's keep going. That's it. All 3 windows are out. We'll use all 3 pieces of Lexan to reference how to cut the carbon. Gotta get light, baby. Alright guys, so we're heading into Monday now. I waited until I met this guy on Instagram. He reached out to me and he said that, you know, what he specializes in is like Lexan windows and installations. So I reached out to him and asked him if he can come do me the favor and come hold me down cutting up the carbon fiber, and he's here now. Come on in, Jeremy. He's right here. It's my boy Pitbull from Pitbull Auto Glass. He's located in Connecticut,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Waterbury area.
Waterbury area. How long you been cutting glass?
About 23 years I've been doing auto glass now.
23 years. How's the Honda community treating you?
Very well.
Yeah.
Very receptive.
Any familiar names that we know that you've worked on their cars?
I know a lot of people know J-Rock out of Jamie Marsh's camp with Sonic and them. I'm doing a car for Sonic pretty soon.
Awesome. You did his brother's car?
No, I did not.
Okay.
They had a guy that put their in.
Okay, awesome.
I did Izzy Nitrous.
Yeah, the right-hand drive B series,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah,
B-series
awesome.
all motor car.
Awesome car.
Got his 9s this weekend. I was with him in the pits. It was great to see.
That was great. Jeremy is going to start cutting up the carbon fiber. What's the process here? You measured it out.
I traced the existing Lexan,
Yeah.
which you had in your car already.
Yes, sir.
Transferred those patterns over to the carbon fiber sheet. Through my rack on it, we're going to cut it with a high-speed wheel to not splinter the carbon fiber.
Gotcha.
and then we're gonna glue them in with a hopefully a no fastener install on your car for a nice clean look.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's get to it, right?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna grab my glasses and get to cutting.
Okay guys, here we go. So we've got 3 rear Lexan windows. The actual hinges that were holding the window, we're not using those anymore. And the rear tail lights. We've got our bucket here to lay everything onto the scale. And we're going to figure out how much weight we've lost from right here. So go ahead, Trappy, turn it on. Alright. We're at 0. Go ahead. Tear it. Okay, we're perfectly at 0. So grab that whole thing. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, so exactly 12 pounds. So 12 pounds is what we just took off. So we replaced the rear tail lights, removed the hinges, and the 3 Lexan windows in the rear for dry carbon 38 wall. And let's see how much we got. 3 pounds. Wow. So we've got 3 pounds, a saving of what? 9 pounds?
9 pounds.
9 pounds.
That's outlaw.
That's outlaw.
That's outlaw.
So yeah, in the all motor world, that's a huge difference to save 9 pounds in the rear of the car. Because like I always preach on my channel, ultimately you want to get rid of all the weight in the back and then just transfer it to the front. So we'll definitely be using the weight bars. But yeah, man, 9 pound difference, 3 pounds. My boy Pitbull still getting to work over there. He's primering the surface, and we're gonna glue on soon.
Trap, you want to grab me that window? Please? One near you, my friend. You want to cut that foam up?
Yeah.
We can take this puppy in.
2 squares, right?
2 little squares. We'll tape it right up. Saving with no screws, Aki.
It's beautiful, my boy.
Trap, how do you like the spacing on it?
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. I'm good with that. It's nice. Straight through.
Let's do this corner next. Thank you for your help, sir.
Come on, boy. Thank you.
All right, here goes the big reveal. Let's see, the first carbon fiber windows.
Boom.
Oh wow.
That shit is heat.
That looks money, boys. Saved some weight and at the same time looks great.
The glue's holding there. You see it's pulling the trunk. It was dry enough.
That shit looks retarded.
That's heat.
Yeah, right with that.
Remember I was saying how it was moving it out when we were popping it out? Maybe when it dries it'll settle curve.
This shit is so serious.
Your world's first, son. That's sick.
That's sick.
You could just get trapped. If you just go to Home Depot, get some of that like air conditioning weather stripping, throw it right back there, the foam stuff.
I don't mind that.
That shit is sick, dude.
Harder. That real.
This doesn't cut it pretty good. Pump two, add 2 people in shop. Get it right.
Yeah, so we're all done here. Big shout out to my boy Jeremy from Pitbull Auto Glass. I will leave his description. I will leave his information in the description. I'm sorry. Reach out to him. He travels up and down the Northeast, so he'll come to you. He also has Lexan that he cuts, and he provides a price with it installed. You guys deal with it with him. But thank you so much, man.
Very
I
welcome.
appreciate you. Great job.
Thanks for letting me be a part of it.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
first ever carbon fiber
Back 3 install.
back 3 install. You got any shout outs, anything you want to say to the camera? You're set. It's yours. It's golden. Go.
No, anybody that wants me, you can give me an Instagram at Pitbull Auto Glass. Just like my shirt, one word. DM me for any information. Do Lexan. I now do carbon fiber installs thanks to Aki's innovation and techniques. I'm very happy to be a part of the build. It's like one little touch is something I can be a part of. I'm proud of it.